Good morning. I am at the Long Haul 100 in Florida in January. It is the start, before the start of the race, and there are all kinds of things going on behind me. But I thought I would shoot a series of videos and take you along a journey on this 100. This is going to be a get in shape 100. Probably like many people, I have taken a little bit of time off over the holidays and didn't do a whole lot of long runs, haven't done a lot of races. You might be surprised looking at my race schedule, but I do take down times every now and then. And it's just worked out that I haven't had a race in like 2 months. So I'm ready to get out and do something. I chose this race because it was an easy drive. It was about 10 hours. So I can drive to it. It was fairly inexpensive. It was the right time of year. I needed something mid-January. I've got a conflict next weekend that nixed another race I would have done. So it was the right time in the schedule. I needed something in January. I felt like I needed something. I needed to get back on in the swing of things. And I've gained a few pounds over the holidays. I haven't done a whole lot of long runs. You might be surprised about that too, but the long runs I've done have been shorter, 20 miles, 15 miles, somewhere in there, and they've been fairly sporadic. I haven't done them every weekend as I would ideally like to do. So I am entering this race feeling out of shape and overweight, which is probably a common thing for a lot of people. And so I thought I would share this particular journey and just tell you how it goes. So I'm going to be shooting a series of videos along the way at 25 miles, 50, 75, and at the finish, because I am assuming I'm going to finish. This is a fairly flat 100 miler, as you can imagine, in Florida. I'm sure the footing is going to be hard packed because it was advertised as, I don't know, there's some off trail and there's some coral, but I've never done this race, so it's a new course. So I'm gonna see how it goes. It's five laps, and they are not circles. They're more of a T-shaped thing. It's kind of hard to describe. You do a T, and then you do one arm of the T twice per lap. So part of the challenge is going to be making sure I get the course right on the first lap and get that down so that the rest of them, I don't have to think about the navigation so much. But it should be a fairly easy course and a good one for a get in shape, get over the holiday weight, get kind of back in the swing of things 100. So we'll see. But anyway, looking forward to sharing this journey with you, and I will see you in some upcoming videos.